Okay, next naman dito topic natin is trigonometric functions. How to derive a trigonometric function. So before we start, first we have to know what is the derivative of d over dx of sine x is equals to cosine x, and ang derivative naman ng cosine x is equals to negative sine x. Okay, yan lang naman yung pinaka basic na kailangan natin malaman, dahil yung the rest kaya na rin natin isolve. So for example, kung gusto natin malaman yung derivative ng tangent x, d over dx of tangent x, we will just tan sine x over cosine x, diba? So kung ganyan, from here, para makuha natin yung derivative niya, so i-derive natin ito gamit yung quotient rule, which is v u prime minus u v prime over v squared. So to apply that, ating v is cos x times u prime. So yung u prime natin is cosine x, and minus yung u natin is sine x, and yung v prime natin is negative sine x. Okay, so saan mga natin nakuha yan? Dito natin nakuha ito, dito natin nakuha yan, and dito rin. Sinubstitute lang natin, ginamit natin itong formula na to. Okay, so yung v natin naman, v squared natin is cosine squared x. So dahil pareho silang may negative, pag multiply mo magiging positive, so it would equal to cosine squared x plus sine squared x over cosine squared x. So alam naman natin na yung cosine squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. So to simplify this, we would equal to 1 over cos second squared x. So ano nga ba yung equal sa cosecant squared x? Ano yung reciprocal identity nito? So, yung reciprocal identity nito is ng cosine squared x ay ng 1 over cosine squared x. Reciprocal identity niya is secant squared x. So, therefore, yung derivative ng tan x is equal to secant squared x. So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, let's try another example. For another example, dito naman tayo sa mas madali. So, y is equals to sine 3x. So, gagamitan na natin yung chain rule. So, y prime is equals to, diderive lang natin ito ng buo. Ano bang derivative niya ng buo? Ito yung outer function is sine 3x. So, that would equal to cosine 3x times u prime. Yung u prime natin is ito yung u. So, lalagay natin ng prime. So, derivative ng 3x is equal to 3. So, y prime is equals to 3 cos 3x. So, that is our final answer. Ganun na siya kadali.